Hey folks, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. This is Doug with The Second Time Around. And this is my channel where I talk about my watch collecting adventures and my journey through horology. So today I got my last two watches that I have ordered. And I ordered these last year. And they're from an independent watchmaker known, and I'm going to screw up his first name because it's Welsh. But it's Aurelian Wealth J. Sarnowski. And he goes by J. Sarnowski with his watches. And again, he's an independent watchmaker. He's a one-man operation. He makes very limited editions of the watches. And he specializes in the malachite and lapis styles and amethyst and black oinks. And I now have 3 of his watches. And they are to me, very inexpensive. I think the first watch I bought from him was like $600. And then the next 2 I got from him were in the $400 range. Plus, you got to pay tariffs from England. But the first one, and I'll show you that video, I've shown it before, was called and I'm sorry, these are Welsh names, and so I'm going to screw it up. Y. Zigalt, which apparently is the Scout in English. And it was built using a Mayota movement. And only 420 of these were made. And this came on a lapis style. So the next 2 that I just got came in 2 variations, one malachite and one lapis. And I'm going to screw this up again. The Y. de Weed knoweth, which in English is Naked Druid. Now, I first discovered this watchmaker through searching for malachite dials, and I found the first one that he had made, but he had already sold out. And so I kept aware of what he was doing, and he's now slowly producing more and more watches. But again, one-man operation, beautiful watches. And his wife, Emma, is working the office and taking the orders and stuff. So these watches came out to just about $400 each. And they're using the Chinese seagull movement. And he adjusts them all. He hand builds them. He does everything, again, by himself. So I wanted to show you these watches. I highly recommend. I mean, I've been wearing the first one, the Scout, since, I want to say the last 9-10 months. And I look forward to wearing the others. The Naked Druids are 41 millimeter, and the Scout was 39 millimeter. Today's watch of the day that I'm wearing my Tosino, and nice little dive watch from Sweden using a Swiss movement. So anyways, folks, I hope everything's working out for you. The watch shows are coming up in the this month and next month in Southern California. So I'll be bringing you a video from those shows. But anyways, folks, I hope you have a great day. Stay out of trouble. And you take care. And thank you very much for watching these videos. See you, folks.